Hello everyone, I'm just so excited to share with you this very powerful deep cleanse fat flush recipe of mine that will enable you poo all those ugly substances waste stored up in your system, causing you gain belly fat, always constipated and bloating, and have your belly really down before you know it. I will share with you how to consume it, but let's get into the making first. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll be using will be turmeric. This is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. It doesn't only help to relieve you from bloating, the gas, making your belly look constipated and bloated, slowing down your system. This cleans you up, stimulates your system to burn fats, dissolve accumulated fats in your system. Like, this is very powerful. Turmeric cleanses your organs, cleanses your blood. Like, this is very healthy with a lot of health and medicinal benefits you want to clean up your system with from the inside. It will do a general cleanse for utmost health. So I'll be using fresh turmeric. These are five stems of fresh turmeric. If you don't have the fresh, you can substitute with the powder, and I'll show you the measurements while I'm putting in the pot. You can actually substitute with the powder. So let's rush to the second ingredient, and that will be ginger. Ginger and turmeric are almost from the same family, but they all have some unique differences. Ginger is very good too, as it is a very good anti-inflammatory to cleanse your system, all those toxins, gas, slowing down your system so you can feel more relieved. That way your metabolism is so fast and you burn down all those excess food stored up in your system, toxins, ugly substances, bulging out with an ugly smell, plus slowing down your system. That way you hardly lose weight. This is really good to clean you up. Plus, it boosts your metabolism. You burn fats that ugly belly fat will be gone once you're done cleaning your system with this recipe. So what you want to do, I usually chop, but I realize when I chop the ingredients, like slice up, the benefits don't really get into my tea. So I decide to crush. So the best way you can get the benefits out of these ingredients is to crush. You see what I'm doing? If you have a crushing machine, that will be easy, like 2 minutes for you. But I have it, but I don't want to use it like I'm doing it manually, so people who don't have can actually just use their hand, this manual grade to kind of crush these ingredients. Yeah, so this is it. This is my turmeric. 5 turmeric fruits will give me 2 tablespoons of dry turmeric powder, and I'll be crushing the ginger as well. So I'm using these 3 tiny little inches of ginger, which will give me 2 tablespoons of dry ginger. But I like everything fresh. If you can lay your hands on the fresh, that is fine, and you can actually order online or find in all supermarkets carry this. Yeah, most especially Africa, this is like loaded everywhere. So this is it. Your ginger you set aside. I'll be adding this pineapple and everything. Like, this is like 3/4 of a pineapple. You want to, so I need the benefits from the peel of the pineapple in here, as well as the pineapple juice to bring in some taste and flavor in here. Plus the pineapple peel is very medicinal. This middle part of the pineapple as well, like, just slice up 3/4 of your pineapple in here. This is for general body cleanse. Like, it will clean you up from the inside, cleanse you. You will poo all the ugly substances and stuffs in your system, bulging out with ugly smell, slowing down your metabolism. You can't lose weight. You are struggling to lose weight, and you're never, because your system is loaded with acids, substances that needs to be flushed out. I'll be adding 1 red bell pepper in here. This is equally very good for cleansing. It helps with weight loss, as it boosts your system, load your system up with antioxidants to fight free radical damage from the inside, causing your skin to age, causing skin issues like even cancer. You need antioxidants. So this is kind of medicinal. Some people will feel like when you boil, you lose the benefits. Trust me, this is how we cleanse back home in Africa. We boil these stuffs, and most people don't even have money to afford medication from pharmacies. You just do this and it cleans you up real good. So this is my 1 bell pepper, and I'll be adding this 1 lemon, 1 orange, and one lime. So these are citrus fruits loaded with a lot of vitamin C in here, like to clean you up furthermore. This is very medicinal, most especially the peels from these fruits will clean you up real good. So you want to slice the three of them just to bring in variety and taste in here and flavor. Remember, you want to have your weight loss or healthy recipes not boring. Like, I like to enjoy losing weight or living healthy but with nice recipes. So this variety brings in flavor into your tea plus the different benefits from all those fruits. So I'll be adding in some black pepper just to have all this easily absorbed, most especially the turmeric. You want to have it really absorbed. Like this helps to make this tea even like work better. The next thing I'll be adding, which is the last before I show you how to come up with this tea, will be cinnamon, and I'll be using Ceylon cinnamon. This is very good. I recently realized that this Ceylon cinnamon works even better than the regular cinnamon I used to buy. So when you're buying, just try to read labels and get this one, and you will come back and tell me. Very good for cleansing. So I'll be using a bigger pot today because these ingredients will actually stay after. In short, I'll tell you that let me not fast forward, but you want to get a bigger pot, put your ingredients in your pot, and you see that is my pepper, pineapple, turmeric, ginger, my citrus fruits, my 1 tablespoon of black pepper in case you missed the ingredients, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So if you have the cinnamon stick, you can use it, but I don't have it. Mine is finished, so I'm using the powder. And you want to fill up your pot with 1.5 liters of water. 1.5 liters of water, and put it on your stove. That is hot water I added, so it took me like 15 minutes to get here. So if you use hot water, you pre-boil your water and add. It takes you a shorter time to cook, so you don't even overcook the ingredients. So this is it. Once 15 minutes after you realize your ingredients are boiling, you just get your spoon or something to kind of like mash the ingredients infused in your tea further. Remember the juice from the pineapple, the fruits. You want to use something to actually really get the ingredients infused. You see how rich it looks. This is so rich, very cleansing, very medicinal, very powerful. Like, these are the kinds of teas you want to go for. Trust me, you will never be sick. Your system will be so clean. You will be so active, full of energy. You will burn that stubborn belly fat and always be healthy. So this is it served in my cup, and this will last me for 2 days. So you want to fill in the remaining portion in your, you want to fill up your pot with 1.5 liters of water, because you will not throw that away. You will use it after, on the 3rd day. This is what you use. So this is for 4 days totally. So this portion now is for 2 days, the one in the pot for other 2 days, and you're done with the recipe. And trust me, you will come back and tell me. This doesn't only help you burn fat, it cleans you up from the inside. You are always healthy, free of sicknesses, because like 70% of the reasons we easily fall sick, or any sickness that is just trending, you just fall sick, is because your system is, first of all, not really, your immune system is congested with toxins, not really strong to combat diseases. Whereas if you clean your system, cleanse it, like your system is always clean and active, you will not easily have all these trending diseases. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Clean your system, cleanse up. Trust me, you will always be very active. Burn all the fat. Your system will be so active to burn fat, and you will never have that belly fat. My belly has gone for good because of my recipes. This one is very powerful. You want to try and come back and tell me how you feel about it. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.